Scenic Coast is one of my favorite specialty designer series papers from the upcoming new catalog. So I wanted to share a few ways I like to showcase scenic papers like this. First up is the simple template. The sentiment is from a retired set, and I find that it fits this layout perfectly. Next is my interpretation of a template I recently saw online. I forgot to save the original source, so this is my version. I hope I did it justice. Recently, Stampin Up introduced a coordinating kit that pairs beautifully with this paper. It's a fantastic way to let the scenery really shine. Just look at this. You can actually see the texture of the original artwork that inspired these designs. So beautiful. And did you notice? This one is a trifold, which makes it a fun little surprise for your recipient when opened. Aren't these beautiful? This kit is also a non-stamping kit, so the cards come together super quickly. Definitely a win-win. I hope these inspire you to pull out some scenic papers from your stash and give them a try.